Kaptrek first up, we have the Kaptrek. This amazing gadget is your perfect companion for all outdoor activities, whether you're looking to relax, seek adventure, or perform at your best. Let's dive into what makes Kaptrek so special. Kaptrek offers connected technologies that are designed to democratize access to the outdoors. Its intuitive interface ensures that even those who are not tech savvy can take full advantage of its features. One of the standout features of Kaptrek is the SOS button, which provides an added layer of security. In any emergency, pressing this button will send your location to predefined contacts and emergency services, giving you peace of mind when you're out in the wilderness. Additionally, Kaptrek includes cloud recording capabilities. This means that all your activities and adventures are automatically backed up to the cloud, so you never lose any precious memories. But that's not all. Kaptrek also allows you to film your feats effortlessly. Whether you're climbing a mountain, kayaking through rapids, or simply hiking a scenic trail, you can use the Kaptrek Connected Guide as a remote control for a drone or GoPro, capturing stunning footage without having to fiddle with multiple devices. The Kaptrek app is another fantastic feature. It lets you prepare your outings by mapping out routes and setting waypoints. You can also track your progress in real time, and after your adventure, you can review your activity history to see how far you've come. All these features make Kaptrek an indispensable tool for anyone who loves the great outdoors. And the best part, you can get all this for just $315. PockCombo, first up we have the PockCombo, the ultimate portable workspace. This pocket-sized marvel features a foldable keyboard, a sliding mouse, and a protective case, making it perfect for setting up a productive environment anywhere you go. Imagine working seamlessly from a cafe, a park, or even while traveling. Thanks to its multi-device connectivity, you can switch between 3 devices effortlessly with a single switch. Just flatten the case into a mouse pad, unfold the super slim keyboard, give the mini mouse a push, and you're ready to work. At only $70, the PockCombo is a game changer for professionals on the move. Whether you're a digital nomad or someone who needs a reliable mobile office, the PockCombo offers unparalleled convenience and functionality. Its compact design ensures that you can carry your entire workspace in your pocket, making it easier than ever to stay productive on the go. The foldable keyboard provides a comfortable typing experience, while the sliding mouse offers precision control. Plus, the protective case ensures your devices stay safe and secure. This innovative gadget truly redefines mobile productivity. LaCie Rugged SSD. Are you a videographer or filmmaker constantly on the go? The LaCie Rugged SSD is designed for you. With FireCuda NVMe speeds and Thunderbolt 3 technology, it's perfect for 4K, 6K, and even 8K video workflows. You'll never have to worry about speed or reliability with this robust SSD. It's also IP67 rated for water resistance, meaning it can withstand being submerged in up to 1 meter of water for 30 minutes. Plus, it's backed by a 5-year warranty with rescue data recovery services, providing peace of mind for your valuable data. For powerful and durable storage, look no further than the LaCie Rugged SSD. This SSD is not just about performance, it's about reliability. When you're out in the field, whether it's a dusty desert or a rainy forest, you need storage that can withstand the elements. The LaCie Rugged SSD's durability makes it the perfect companion for any adventurous creator, and with its impressive data transfer speeds, you can quickly offload footage, freeing up your camera for more shooting. The 5-year warranty and included data recovery services mean you can focus on your work without worrying about potential data loss. The LaCie Rugged SSD is truly a professional's choice. IceFox Portable Wine Chiller. Say goodbye to warm drinks with the IceFox Portable Wine Chiller. This innovative device uses patented icicle fast cooling technology to chill your drinks instantly. Imagine being at a picnic or an outdoor gathering and having perfectly chilled beverages at the press of a button. The IceFox not only cools quickly, but also maintains the ideal temperature for a long time. The smart cap displays the current temperature, so you always know how cool your drink is. At $199, the IceFox is a must-have for any outdoor enthusiast looking to keep their drinks perfectly chilled. The IceFox portable wine chiller is not just for wine. It works for any beverage you want to keep cool, whether it's a hot summer day or a special celebration. This device ensures that your drinks are always at the perfect temperature. Its sleek design and portability make it easy to carry to any event, and its efficient cooling technology guarantees satisfaction. The built-in temperature display is a handy feature that lets you monitor your drinks at a glance. With the IceFox, you'll always be the life of the party, providing perfectly chilled refreshments anytime, anywhere. VELO 3-in-1 Expandable Luggage. Next, meet the VELO 3-in-1 Expandable Hardside Luggage. This suitcase is truly a game changer for travelers, offering unparalleled versatility and convenience. Let's explore why VELO is a must-have for anyone on the go. One of the most innovative aspects of VELO is its ability to switch between 3 sizes: a 16-inch small carry-on, a 22-inch medium check-in, and a 26-inch large check-in. This means you can adapt your luggage to suit the length of your trip without needing to own multiple suitcases. Whether you're going on a short business trip or an extended vacation, VELO has you covered. The exterior of the VELO suitcase is made from water-resistant PU material, which means it can withstand light rain even when expanded. This is particularly useful if you find yourself caught in unexpected weather. The suitcase's durable and sleek design is further enhanced by an aerospace-grade aluminum frame, which adds strength without adding unnecessary weight. Inside, VELO offers customized adjustable dividers, a laptop bag, and packing cubes, allowing you to organize your belongings efficiently. The extra wide pop-up handle and the buttons on the top of the suitcase make expanding and compressing the size of VELO incredibly easy. Simply press the button, pull to expand, or compress to reduce the size in seconds. This ease of use, combined with its robust construction, makes VELO the luggage you can own for life. Say goodbye to switching between and storing multiple suitcase sizes at home. With VELO, you have one bag that does it all. Priced at $399, it's an investment in convenience and durability. Air Zero Origami Mouse. Next we have the Air Zero Origami Mouse. Inspired by origami, this mouse folds flat for easy storage and unfolds into a 3D shape when in use. This makes it incredibly portable and perfect for those who are always on the go. It's super slim at only 4.5 mm and lightweight at 40 grams. With Bluetooth 5.2 connectivity, it pairs seamlessly with any device, ensuring minimal latency and a smooth user experience. Perfect for mobile working and living, the Air Zero Origami Mouse is available for just $49. Enhance your productivity with this sleek and innovative gadget. The origami design is not only practical, but also a conversation starter. Imagine pulling out this ultra slim mouse during a meeting or at a cafe, and effortlessly snapping it into its 3D form. The lightweight and compact nature of the Air Zero Origami Mouse means you can slip it into your pocket or bag without worrying about bulk. Its ergonomic design ensures that it fits comfortably in your hand, making it a pleasure to use for extended periods. This mouse is a testament to how modern design and technology can come together to create something truly unique. Anker Nano 3 iPhone charger need a compact charger. The Anker Nano 3 is perfect. It's 70% smaller than standard 30W chargers and can charge all your devices, including the MacBook Air. Despite its small size, the Anker Nano 3 doesn't compromise on power. It uses gallium nitride technology to deliver efficient and fast charging without generating excess heat. This means you can charge your devices quickly and safely. The charger is equipped with Active Shield 2.0 technology, which monitors temperature and adjusts the power output to protect your devices from overheating and overcharging. The Anker Nano 3 is also incredibly versatile. It comes with a USB-C port, which means you can use it to charge not only your iPhone, but also other USB-C devices, such as tablets, laptops, and even some gaming consoles. Its compact design makes it perfect for travel, allowing you to carry a powerful charger without taking up much space in your bag. Priced at just $22.99, the Anker Nano 3 is a cost-effective and reliable charging solution for all your devices. Goal Zero Sherpa. Never run out of power with the Goal Zero Sherpa 100 AC. This wireless charging power bank is airline approved and perfect for all your devices. The Goal Zero Sherpa 100 AC is designed to be a reliable and powerful companion for anyone who needs to stay connected on the go. It features both USB-C and wireless charging capabilities, allowing you to charge multiple devices simultaneously. Whether you're powering up your smartphone, tablet, laptop, or camera, the Sherpa 100 AC has you covered. One of the standout features of the Sherpa 100 AC is its fast charging capability. It can deliver up to 60 W via USB-C, ensuring your devices charge quickly and efficiently. The power bank itself can be recharged via solar panels, making it an excellent choice for outdoor enthusiasts and travelers who need a reliable source of power away from traditional outlets. The Goal Zero Sherpa 100 AC is airline approved, meaning you can take it with you on your travels without any hassle. Pair it with the Nomad 50 solar panel for the ultimate off-grid power solution. Available for $299.95. It's an investment in convenience and reliability. KHONI Modular Backpack. Say hello to the KHONI Modular Backpack. With 9 adjustable modules, it's perfect for any adventure or daily commute. The KHONI Modular Backpack is designed to be incredibly versatile and adaptable. Each of the 9 modules can be rearranged and adjusted to fit your specific needs. Whether you're heading to the office, the gym, or a weekend getaway, the backpack is made from water-resistant materials, ensuring your belongings stay dry even in unpredictable weather. Durability is a key feature of the KHONI Modular Backpack. It's built to withstand the rigors of daily use and travel with reinforced stitching and high-quality zippers. Inside, it offers plenty of space for all your essentials, including a dedicated compartment for a 16-inch laptop. The modular design means you can customize the interior layout to suit whatever you're carrying, making it a truly flexible solution for modern life. Priced at $299.95, the KHONI Modular Backpack is a versatile and durable option for anyone looking for a backpack that adapts to their lifestyle. Exo360 Drone for drone enthusiasts. The Exo360 from Queen Bee Robotics is a must-see. With 5 cameras capturing 360-degree footage, you can experience immersive views with a VR headset. Whether you're filming stunning landscapes or dynamic action shots, the Exo360 delivers exceptional quality. The Pro version even features 4K cameras for those who demand the best in video resolution. The Exo360 can fly for 18 minutes on a single charge and handle winds up to 15 miles per hour, making it a reliable and versatile drone for any situation. Available for $1,000, the Exo360 is a fantastic investment for anyone passionate about drones and virtual reality. The Exo360 isn't just another drone, it's a revolution in aerial photography and videography. Its multiple cameras provide a comprehensive view of your surroundings, creating immersive footage that's perfect for VR experiences. The Pro version's 4K cameras ensure that every detail is captured in stunning clarity. Whether you're a professional filmmaker or a hobbyist, the Exo360 offers the tools you need to create breathtaking content. Its ability to handle various weather conditions makes it a versatile tool for any project. The Exo360 is an essential piece of technology for anyone looking to push the boundaries of drone capabilities. DivoomPixoo M Backpack. The DivoomPixoo M Backpack is not just a bag, it's a canvas for your creativity. Made of water-repellent material, it features a built-in LED panel and power bank. Use the Divoom app to create real-time pixel art displayed on your backpack, turning heads wherever you go. The backpack also offers plenty of organizational pockets and a spacious main compartment, ensuring you can pack efficiently while keeping your items organized. Perfect for anyone who loves pixel art or is looking for a stylish, functional backpack, the DivoomPixoo M is available for $129.99. This backpack is a perfect blend of style and functionality. Imagine walking down the street with your favorite pixel art displayed on your back, attracting attention and sparking conversations. The DivoomPixoo M Backpack is not just for show, it's designed to meet all your daily needs with its spacious compartments and organizational pockets. The water-repellent material ensures your belongings stay dry no matter the weather. The built-in power bank is a lifesaver for keeping your devices charged throughout the day. Whether you're a student, a professional, or a creative enthusiast, this backpack is sure to make a statement. Loco VR. For those who are into virtual reality, the Loco VR is a must-have. This foot-based VR locomotion system takes your VR experience to the next level by giving you total control of your lower body movements. Loco VR allows you to physically control activities like jumping, running, and walking in your virtual environment. Its small wireless sensors provide decoupled head and body directions, meaning you can move in different directions while using your hands to interact with the VR world. This adds a new layer of immersion and realism to your VR experience. One of the major benefits of Loco VR is that it reduces motion sickness, which is a common issue with many VR systems. By giving you control over your body movements, it aligns your physical actions with what you see in the VR world, making the experience more natural and comfortable. The system's wireless connectivity ensures you're not limited by cables, allowing for greater freedom of movement. The Loco VR system is also designed for extended use. Its battery lasts up to 10 hours on a single charge, so you can enjoy long VR sessions without interruption. And when you need to navigate the virtual world, you can switch to cruise control for effortless movement. Priced at $268, Loco VR offers an unparalleled VR experience that is both immersive and user-friendly. Whether you're a gamer, a VR enthusiast, or someone looking to explore new virtual worlds, Loco VR is an investment in cutting-edge technology. Airtrick E-Skates need a fun and convenient way to get around? Check out the Airtrick E-Skates. These electric skates feature dual 150W hub motors, electric brakes, and 4 riding modes, making them perfect for urban commuting. With a top speed of 17 miles per hour and a range of up to 9.3 miles, they're designed to get you where you need to go quickly and efficiently. The skates are small and lightweight with rubber foot pads and quick straps for easy on and off. They also include a remote control that allows you to stop, ride forward, or in reverse, and check your speed and battery life. Priced at $379, the Airtrick E-Skates are perfect for anyone looking for a unique and speedy way to navigate the city. Imagine gliding effortlessly through city streets, bypassing traffic, and turning your commute into an exhilarating ride. The Airtrick E-Skates are not only practical, but also incredibly fun. Their compact design means you can easily carry them when you're not skating, and the quick straps make it simple to put them on and take them off. The remote control adds an extra layer of convenience, allowing you to adjust your ride with ease. These e-skates are perfect for those who want to add a bit of excitement to their daily routine while staying efficient and eco-friendly. 70mAh A800 Dash Cam. Finally, the 70mAh A800 Dash Cam ensures you're always protected on the road. This smart front and rear dash cam combo captures high-quality footage, providing crucial evidence in case of accidents. It features advanced night vision and parking surveillance, so you're covered 24/7. The A800 also includes GPS tracking, which records your speed and route, and an ADAS, Advanced Driver Assistance System, that warns you of potential safety issues on the road. At just $129.99, the 70mAh A800 is a smart investment for any driver looking to enhance their safety and security on the road. The 70mAh A800 Dash Cam is more than just a camera, it's your co-pilot on the road. Its advanced features provide comprehensive coverage and peace of mind. The high-quality footage ensures that you have clear evidence in case of any incidents, while the night vision and parking surveillance offer round-the-clock protection. The GPS tracking and ADAS features enhance your driving experience by providing real-time data and safety alerts. With the 70mAh A800 Dash Cam, you can drive with confidence, knowing that you're equipped with one of the best tools for road safety. Skyhaven In-Flight Hoodie. Finally, the Skyhaven In-Flight Hoodie is designed to make your travel experience as comfortable as possible. Its unique design includes built-in armrests that provide support while you rest, a mesh hood that helps block out light and noise, and front pockets for storing your essentials. The hoodie is also a travel pillow with an inflatable neck pillow integrated into the hood.